Have you ever needed to buy a rat snap trap but had no idea which one to buy? Well, today I'll be reviewing the top 3 pro-grade rat snap traps on the market and sharing the pros and cons of using each one. But before we get started, always make sure to wear your gloves when handling snap traps to prevent your scent from getting on them. The first trap I'm going to be reviewing is the Victor wooden snap trap. Now, the thing I love about this trap is that it's cheap and effective. It has a very powerful snap that instantly kills any rodents that get caught, and you can actually pre-bait the traps before you set them to catch trap-shy rodents. Now, the things I don't like about this trap is that it's actually very difficult to set because it requires to use a lot of power. And then also, once it's set, after you place it into position, because it lies flat, it's very easy to step on it and hurt yourself. And the last thing is, after you catch a rodent, in order to reuse the trap, you're gonna actually have to touch the dead rodent on here to release it from the trap. So most of the times, these are just disposable and you can't reuse them. The next trap I'm going to be reviewing is the Pest Big E Rat Snap Trap. Now, the things I love about this trap, it has a pre-formed bait cup that makes it easy to add the bait, and this extra large trigger pad that makes it possible to catch rats from all directions. This trap is extremely easy to set and unset. And after you catch a rodent, it's actually very easy to dispose of the rodent and reuse the trap. You simply lift back up on the upright bar and release the rodent into a trash bag. And because it's made out of stainless steel and plastic, it's actually stain and odor resistant. Now, the thing I don't like about this trap, it has a less powerful snap. So if you don't catch a rat directly in the back of the neck, it could survive, and you actually might have to kill it manually. And then also, because it doesn't have any teeth, sometimes a rat can actually pull itself out from underneath the trap if it doesn't catch it cleanly, even though that's very rare. The last trap I'm going to be reviewing is the T-Rex Rat Snap Trap. Now, the things I love about this trap is that it's extremely easy to set and unset. And because it has these interlocking teeth, once a rat gets caught, it can't escape. Now, the thing with this trap, it has a bait cup underneath that you simply twist and turn out, add the bait, and then put right back in. And then after a rat gets caught, it's extremely easy to dispose of the rat and reuse the trap by just pulling back on this upright lever and releasing the dead rat into a garbage bag. Because it's also made out of plastic and stainless steel, it's stain and odor resistant. Now, the things I don't like about this trap is that, again, it doesn't have a very powerful snap. And you can't pre-bait these traps to catch trap-shy rodents. So after reviewing the traps, I would pick the Victor Rat Snap Trap if you're on a budget. The Pest Rat Snap Trap is my pick. I would rate this one as the best overall. And I would pick the T-Rex Rat Snap if you're squeamish, because it has this cover where you can't see the dead rodents. If you're dealing with rats and want to get rid of them on your own, then visit pestninja.com for my complete step-by-step process to eliminate rats and mice in your home.